This week is Women's Week. It is the perfect time to be talking about workforce participation. Before we jump in and think about how we can improve the numbers of women participating fully in employment, we do need to take a step back and think about why are women not fully participating in the workforce? We do know that women are more likely to be underemployed than men. We also need to think about work in the context of our lives. How do we ensure that women and men have full opportunities for enriching and enjoyable employment experiences, as well as having the opportunity to care for their loved ones, be involved in their community, and make sure they have healthy and fulfilling lives? Clearly, we need to look at women's caring responsibilities and also the expectations placed on women to undertake domestic labour. A recent ABS report showed that 48% of women who said they'd like to start working said that it was because they were caring for children and unable to secure the care they needed. That is contrasted by only 3.2% of men. Also, we really need to be clear that women are not a homogenous group. Women with disability, First Nations women and older women have so much to offer in terms of contributions to our society, and yet they are all underemployed. Workforce participation can be an empowering path towards economic security. This can lift women out of poverty. It can prevent domestic violence, and it can set us up for future generations where economic security ensures healthier, better lives.